High flame 4-wheel trolley assembly, 4-bearing trolley assembly for taller strut channel or all 1/5/8 channel, pack of 4, design load in 300 pounds at 600 rpm, 450 pounds at 300 rpm, 600 pounds at 100 rpm load. OrangeA heavy-duty manual 2,200 pounds capacity plain 1-ton push track roller trolley crane lift dual wheels garage hoist for straight curved I-beam. Plain trolley weight capacity 1 ton, 2,000 pounds push beam trolley comes with multiple spacer washers make beam flange width adjustment quick and easy. Electric hoist installation roller trolley 4-wheel T-trolley assembly strut channel trolley assembly for use with 1/5/8 wide and all 1/5/8 or taller strut channel, pack of 2. High quality material, the middle support of the T-type 4 roller trolley is made of high strength solid steel, and the inner pin of the bearing is made by solid alloy steel, so as to ensure that our 4-wheel trolley assembly has the best design load. Galvanized zinc, rust protection. Electro-galvanized zinc finish. For use with all 1/5/8 or taller strut channel. 9/16 of an inch diameter hole, thickness, 1/4 of an inch, 6 mm. Manual trolley is rugged steel side plates feature built-in bumper guards. 1-ton trolley hardened wheels with lubricated for life, double-sealed ball bearings. Manual push trolley. It is an ideal material handling tool for chain blocks, hoists, and lifting tackle and other industrial areas.